Hi everyone, I'm Jonathan and welcome to my final project for ISLT 7888. This is VR enabled instruction and this is our VRLE for all about VR headsets. So I'm just going to fly around the building really quick. Not much to see in the back here, but as I land, I'm going to walk you in through the center, through the front of the building, and right here we have some signage all about VR headsets. So our VRLE is set up in three different rooms. So we have a lecture hall, which is essentially a forum for people to come in and live chat with experts on what type of VR headset would be good for them. We have a testimonial showcase room and a testing lab. So as we enter, we're going to come into our live chat lecture room. So obviously we have some furniture here with tables and chairs, computers, signage around the room. And so basically what this is as you come to a kiosk, you can access information on when each individual's office hours are. So we have John, Dio, and we have Angela. All right, to the right of the space in this room, we have our showcase. So this is going to, basically this is a showcase for several different types of VR headsets that range in price and compatibility and performance. So the first one we have here is the Google Cardboard VR headset. And this is just going to show you testimonials for people's kind of unbiased experiences using the Google Cardboard VR headset. And obviously this is a low-cost option here. Next we have, if you're more into gaming, this is a standalone unit, the PlayStation VR. And again, we have small models on each of these tables with an approximate price for each of these headsets. Here's a testimonial about the PlayStation VR. And then next we have the Oculus Quest 2 VR headset, which is, again, another standalone unit. You don't need computer hardware to operate it. And that's in the $300 to $400 range, and then that can go up in cost depending on the size of the storage on the device. And then next, finally, we have a questionnaire that Dio created. To the left side of the room, of the space, we have a room which is our first-person experiences. So again, we have some small models. This would be where people would come in and test the VR headset. So we have a point of view, Google Cardboard video. We have a PlayStation VR point of view and an Oculus Quest point of view. So let's go ahead and open up this signage here and take a look at the experience of point of view experience for the PlayStation VR. And I think I'm going to zoom in here. All right, so that is the VRLE that we created for our final project. I hope you enjoyed it and have a great day. Thank you.